Hey guys, so we're going to go ahead and get right into the video. So what I did is I created a perimeter around my head. I did a couple individuals in the front, on the side, and in the back. And I used the Freetress wrapping lock to achieve the individuals. And then for my back of my head, I used hair by Mayde Beauty, which is their waterfall lock. So what I do is I just take the latch hook and I put the hair on there. And I pull it through, and then I start to wrap. So they have a piece of hair that's out that you just take and you wrap it. And it's super easy, but for a full install, I would not do it. It's just a lot. So that's me showing y'all the hair, and then I just take it and wrap it. And what I try to do is cover my own hair with the hair that you wrap it with. Also guys, you don't have to do a braid like I did. You could even do a twist and do the lock around that, because two of mine I actually did twist just to see how they would hold up, or you can do the rubber band method. So this is a super easy style, so easy. So this is just me showing you how I do it again. I put the latch hook underneath my own hair. I put the hair on the hook, pull it through. I was struggling a little bit. So you want to make sure that you braid your braids a little bit loose, so when you pull the hair through that you won't have any issues. So I pulled it through and I just wrap it all the way down. Now it didn't cover all of my hair. So what I did for the rest of my locks that was left out, my hair that was left out, I just took the latch hook and pulled my hair through. And I believe I do show that to you guys.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So this is the Mayde Beauty waterfall lock, y'all. This waterfall lock hair is so freaking cute. It is so pretty. The only thing is the hair, it does get tangled easily, so I do have to go in every now and then and detangle it so I can keep that waterfall look. But this hair, so easy to install. I didn't have any issues or anything. Y'all see how janky my braids look. Don't talk about them. But yeah, so that's what I just did. And once I finished the install, a couple of days later, I did go in and add more hair just for a fuller look. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this install video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and just stay tuned for my quick and short review after this install. Thanks for watching. Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones and I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, you guys saw me install these locks. So I used two different kinds of hairs. The first hair I used with Freetress, and this was the wrap and lock. So they have two kinds. The one I used was the hipster lock, and the other one I think is the starter lock. Now the starter lock has the regular end, and this hipster lock, it has the curly end. So I went in with individuals for a more natural look, and yeah. So for this install or any other install involving this hair, I would only use it for a perimeter. I would not use this for a full head install, because like, oh my gosh, like, could you imagine doing your full head individuals? No, it would be way too time consuming. And you guys know that I do not like to do styles that are time consuming. And if you do a full install, it will be. So I bought 2 packs of these, and I used one full pack and a little bit out of these packs, and I did a perimeter. So I did the front, the sides, and the back. And then for the rest of my hair, I used Mayde Beauties, and this is their Waterfall locks. Okay, so basically this is what they look like. I got them in the color number 2. I wanted to do something different for my birthday. Y'all know my birthdays, I always go with a full like loose crochet or curly crochet. I've never did locks. I've did box braids, Marley twist. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. And then I wanted to get some curly ends for both, so that's why I did the mixture. But you can tell the difference. That's the Freetress right there, and then here is the Mayde Beauty right there. So it's cute. I like it. My birthday is actually tomorrow, so I wanted to do something, you know, different, but something that I could just pull up and, you know, have a little freedom with. So that's what this is looking like, you guys. I've had this up for 2 days. I finished this install Friday. No, I finished this install Saturday. Today is Monday. So I had it up all day Saturday and all day Sunday, and then this is Monday morning. So yeah, I love this so much. I love the waterfall look. It is giving waterfall. I just wish that it was fuller, but yeah. So this is with all the hair pulled to the front. That is this. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. If I can find this hair, I will link it below, but you can find it at your local beauty supply. Let me not lie, you might be able to find it at your local beauty supply, because this Mayde Beauty hair is literally only in one of the beauty supplies near me. So yeah, and if I had not been going to that beauty supply, I never would have found out about this hair, aside from the few videos that I saw on YouTube. But if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, so you can get the word out there, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. Bye guys.